Hello and welcome to Forex Weekly, your weekly market analysis just exclusive for forexspace.com, and this is Thiru on behalf of Master the Markets. Okay, so now let's get into the markets and let's just take a look at the Aussie dollar. Okay, so I'm just going to take a look at three currency pairs as of today. So probably I will start off with the majors. So let's see, we can start off with euro dollar to begin off with. So euro dollar over here, as you can see and as I've presented before, most of the lines that you are actually seeing over here, so for example the blue one over here and the one below is actually basically the 4-hour swing high and swing low. So let me just quickly just annotate that for you. So over here what you're seeing is basically the 4-hour swing high and swing low. So swing high over here, and that's actually the 4-hour swing low. So it's basically all correlated onto one diagram. And then basically then after that the yellow ones over here are basically the weekly swing high swing lows, and the red and the green are the daily swing high and swing lows. And the ones in white, if you do see them, those are the monthly swing high and swing low levels. Okay, so let's take a look at this now. What we do have right now is that euro dollar has basically broken this particular level here, and now that's what we call a price structural failure at Master the Markets. So now at the moment the momentum is on the downside and its previous trend has been negated, which is actually uptrend. On the weekly as well, it's an overextended move, so all our biasness and our probabilities towards the downside. So now further weakness, first level break 13767, which is already broken already, and second level that we're looking at is 13670 to break second. At that point then there will be more weakness in momentum, and after that carrying on forward will be 13623. Okay, so that's with the euro dollar. So I'm just going to quickly just erase this, and then we can carry on to the next currency pair. Okay, good. So now moving on, so let me just quickly move on to cable, GBP USD. So moving on to cable over here, what we can see right now, it's in an uptrend. So moving forward, what we're really now seeing is that, let me just annotate that, it's the first level break or sign of weakness on the downside, 16820 over here. Then second level of break then will be 16548. Of course, if it does move on the upside, 16985 is the second level that we're looking at, and momentum strength. But however, the weekly is on an overextended move, so therefore on the upside, so therefore I will be looking on the downside probability biases a bit more, and a higher probability on the momentum downside at 16820 first level of break. Also a weekly swing high level as well, so if it does break that, then we are also getting reverse of trend, and then therefore towards the downside. Okay, now let me move on to, finally, last but not least, it's to dollar yen. Okay, so moving on to dollar yen at the moment, I'm just going to just take a quick look at dollar yen. So over here, dollar yen, what we do have at the moment is actually, so let me just quickly just bring that up and just quickly just erase that off. Is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so what we do have as in dollar yen, we do have a bit of just a market compression at the moment. Okay, so what we do have over here, it's a higher low that we do have, but this is a lower high. So at this particular moment we have a single market compression, so probabilities towards the downside. Also weekly is also overextended as well. So what I would be really looking at is a further break at the first level to break 10145 on the 4-hour, and then after that further momentum weakness would be at 10130. Okay, so further moving down further. Right, so that's what we'll be looking at in terms of dollar yen. So the probability and the biasness is towards the downside. Okay, so that's basically the levels that I wanted to go through with you on the 3 currency pairs for the week ahead. So do take note of these levels and do incorporate them into your trading system and your trading plan. Okay, now another thing I did want to mention as well is our Break the Link event that is coming up. That's organized by Master the Markets over here. As you can see, it's going to happen on 31st May 2014. Our free silver ticket offer was until 10th of May, so that's over right now. We might have just a few for the FX Space clients, probably about 10 tickets left. So if you do want to register, you can just go onto here, just click on register, and you can come to here, and then basically all you got to do is just click on the number of tickets you want, enter your promotional code, and the promotional code for Forex Space people, Forex Space clients, is MTMFXS. Okay, once you apply that, what happens is that the first silver ticket becomes basically free. Okay, so it's going to be BTLFXS, pardon me, and if you then were to click on that, basically the first ticket will be free. Then after that, £20 for the gold ticket, which includes lunch, and then 79 tickets, which includes lunch with speakers and priority seating as well. Okay, so that's to do with the event coming up on the 31st of May. We look forward to seeing you all there. And as of the other updates, basically, free Friday video series, you all do know that. You can download it at traderstarterpack.com. So that teaches you all the basics of financial trading, and we're also having an upgrade of the videos pretty much soon, and you can catch that all on traderstarterpack.com. Until next time, live fully with love, service, and contribution, and keep trading like a master.